What kind of coleslaw is this, hon?
Store-bought with additives.
No, that's not store-bought coleslaw. Oh, well, maybe so. The coleslaw, but the additives are all yours.
Yeah. Apple, pineapple, almonds,
Oh, that's so good.
barbecue sauce,
And what is this? It's not a croissant, but what is that?
a crescent roll.
A crescent roll. I wonder why they call it a crescent roll.
And it's squishy like the
Yeah.
Pillsbury Doughboy.
It smells fresh. And my favorite is always split pea soup. Homemade, thick split pea soup.
Yep.
You know, do you understand how anybody cannot love split pea soup?
And anybody who wants the meat, there's meat in here. Lots of ham. You're sorry.
That's right. It's not vegetarian split pea soup after all. But, oh, it's perfect for the weather that we're having. Well, I had to stop after just one bowl under the threat of not getting any Jell-O if I went ahead and had a second helping. So we've got more to split around tomorrow night. Split pea soup.
With ham.
What could be better?